To download and install Steam, follow these steps. Ensure your computer or laptop has a working connection to the internet. Then go to store.steampowered.com in any web browser. I'll leave the link in the comment. It will direct you to the Steam official website, where you may download and install Steam on your computer. Click the Install Steam button in the upper right-hand corner on the newly launched website. Click on the blue Install Steam button. Ensure that the correct system is selected. For example, if you're on a Windows computer, Steam should display the Windows logo on this button. And if you're on a Mac computer, choose the Apple logo right below the Windows logo. Open Downloads folder. Click on the Steam setup file you just downloaded. This is an executable file that will open up the Steam installer wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Steam. Once the Steam setup is complete, launch the Steam application and start your gaming journey. Like and sub. If this video was helpful to you, thank you.